What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, we're going to be talking about stock UAVS. UAVS is at $1.94 right now and had lows earlier in the week at $1.19. We don't care about that though. We care about the information and the news that has been going around this stock, okay? More importantly, we like this word right here, Amazon. Amazon's new warehouse in Kansas, Wichita, Kansas, which is in the middle of literally nowhere, okay? Coincidentally, has been just leaked, okay? So their new warehouse, here's an article on it, has been spotted in Wichita, Kansas, which is coincidentally near where the location of this aerial systems drone location is as well. So both companies are within probably 10 to 20 mile radius of each other. And Amazon, out of all companies, okay, this huge e-commerce company is looking for this new technology that is going to be using drones to help further their production, right? And this company, being a drone aerial systems company, is, within 20 miles of radius. Both leaked information that they have their location of their either warehouse or their just main platform is in Wichita, Kansas, obviously in the middle of nowhere. Why? So they can test out these drones, okay? Let's just break it down real quick though. Like, it just has a lot of information to give to you guys, but let's just start out with this stock, okay? UAVS, obviously, it's been running up. Now, we didn't catch it early enough, or at least I didn't personally catch it early enough, but it's not too late, trust me. I mean, if we look at the 3-year, which is kind of stretching a little bit, but let's just check it out. Yes, it looks like a pump and dump on this map. It does. I'm not going to lie to you. What we've seen in the past definitely looks like a pump and dump. It's something that you just want to short-term make some money off of and quickly get out of it, okay? And I can totally agree with you on that if we look at the past, because that's exactly what it's showing. I mean, it has great potential. We can go up to $21, I mean, from previous highs, obviously down to 19 cents in previous lows, but that's not the point of this, okay? We're looking at the future of this company, and with the future of this company comes the future of Amazon, which we like. We like Amazon, and we like companies like this. So because of it, we're going to call this a long-term buy. For me personally, I'm going to see how it goes within the next few months. I'm just going to keep on adding on to my average price, okay? I'm going to buy in literally sometime this week, whenever I feel comfortable, and I'm going to hold on to that, okay? Using my resources and figuring out why this company is going to be a long-term company, okay? This is not just throwing in money and just hoping that it's going to do well. And I'm not looking for a pump and dump, okay? Yes, obviously, if you look at the 3-year, it looks like I could make some great money off of a pump and dump. I mean, you look at the return that I could get. I mean, yes, the downside is there too, but we have more upward potential. But let's just go back to this 5-day chart. We've already seen an increase. We're almost going up to 100% in the past week. That is great for this company. But the news and information is only going to get more hyped up, and that's what we'd like to hear. This stock, UAVS, I promise you, will get more hype throughout this week. Whether it dies down over time and slowly comes back down to this price point, it's hard to determine. It's definitely going to get the hype that it needs. The information is out there. They have $7 million, and with shareholder prices, they are just talking about so much money flowing into this company that I can see it really going places, either long-term or short-term. I don't want to say that it's going to be years from now, the next big upcoming company, but within the next couple weeks and even months, I can definitely see this company doing something, especially if it makes a deal with Amazon. That'll be the biggest deal breaker. Yeah. But the hype up within the next couple days and next upcoming weeks is definitely going to be there, okay? Like I said, by the end of the week, I wouldn't be surprised if it's up to $5. So definitely try and get on this Monday, okay? Hopefully we can have I don't like usually saying this, but hopefully we can have a red day, okay? The stock comes down a little bit, pulls back, we get into the stock, and we build up our shares, okay? Start small and keep on adding in, because this could be a really nice long-term shareholder, and I can see this going places, especially if we combine with Amazon, okay? If Amazon actually combines, which it looks like if they're both located in Wichita, it seems like the pieces of the puzzle are connected with each other, that this is going to be a long-term buy for you. This is going to be definitely worth the money in the long run, okay? Give it time. A company like this needs to grow. It has a past, okay? Like we said, let's go back to the 3-year chart. It has a past. It definitely has the potential to get up to those price points, but it depends on how long it will take, okay? And like I said, I wouldn't be surprised by the end of the week or even the end of 2 weeks, they could easily hit $5, okay? We are going to have a lot of hype behind this stock, and I can just see it going up from here. definitely consider this a buy within the next couple days. Get in it while it's pretty low, because this thing is going to be definitely a nice ride to take up, okay? So as we look at the 5-day, like I said, it's already running up, so get in while it's still decently low. It's still at a pretty good price point. Get in it now, okay? And we can only see just upward potential from here. Obviously, we have the news, we have the charts, we have all the information we need. Now it's up to you guys to do your own work and to do your own research to see if this is worth it. All I'm saying is I may be wrong, but is it a coincidence that both are located in Wichita and just magically happened within the same 2 weeks that they were confirmed that the Amazon location is in Wichita and this company is located in Wichita? You tell me, okay? Is it a coincidence? I don't know. I can't predict the future of stocks, but I definitely can read news, okay? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did enjoy and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you guys soon with some more stock videos. Thanks again.